Good morning and warm welcome to my beloved students. Today we are going to learn the easy explanation of the lesson Water written by Chinua Achebe. Part 2 of the lesson The Water written by Chinua Achebe, the Nigerian novelist and the writer. And here he sarcastically mocks on the electoral system or the government, the corrupted government all over the world. So let us move on to the part 2 of the lesson. So here you can see that the first part we have seen that Roof along with 5 elders from the village is having a meeting, and Rufus Okeke, the leader and the supporter of Marcus Ibe of PAP party, is trying to purchase the vote by giving money. And as I told you, how he got money, the Marcus Ibe got money. Yes, of course he had his own money, but he never played with his personal money. What he did is he have taken money or in advance 5 months salary from the government account for these electoral expenses. And why he wanted to purchase vote? Because he have not fulfilled his duty as the chief minister of cultural minister. So definitely, and he understood that nobody is going to vote for him. So he wanted to contest for the next coming election, and he knows that he will not win until he play a double game. So he have purchased Rufus Okeke right now to work for him, and the Roof also was a well-known man in the village. But right now you can see that this man Roof is also being corrupted, and he is being bribed by Marcus Ibe. And right now what he is doing, he is working for Marcus Ibe, and he's trying to convince the elder and trying to purchase the vote. And here you can see that he offered 2 shillings, but the elders was not happy with the 2 shillings. They said that Marcus Ibe has made money in this 5-year tenure in his term as a cultural minister. And initially when he came to power, we have not asked any money from him. We have voted willfully, thinking that he will do something good for them, but nothing turned out right now. So he is sure that Marcus Ibe is sure that he is not going to win this election unless and until he play a dirty trick. So he purchased Rufus Okeke right now, and Roof is trying to attract the people by offering money. In most of the places you would have seen that during the time of election, what they do, they used to pay money or cash or kind for maybe for the sake of 1 packet of biryani or for 1 bottle of liquor. Sometimes they may offer laptops, even the job, or something small like that. They are ready to sell their vote. But most of us are not aware that what a foolish thing what we are doing. So here Chinua Achebe is trying to make us understand the value of your vote. Each vote matters. If you don't select the right person, the state and the country is going to suffer. And here you can see that the elders is being purchased by Rufus Okeke by paying 2 shillings. Tell Marcus he has our papers and our wife papers too. He's telling that if you're ready to pay extra money more than 2 shillings, I am ready. Not only I will vote, but my entire family will vote for Marcus Ibe. But what do you say in 2 shillings is shameful? If you are going to pay 2 shillings, no, we are not going to definitely vote for Marcus Ibe. He brought the lamp close and tilted it in the money before him, before him, as if to make sure he have not mistaken its value. And Ruth thought that these elders can't see the note, so what he did is, as I told, there is no electricity in the village, so he bought the lantern and light lamp and showed, see, it is 2 shillings, it's a big money, but they are not ready to vote for. Yes, 2 shillings is too shameful. If Marcus was a poor man, definitely they would have given their vote without asking money. Right now, Marcus is not like that. He is a rich man, and he has to do as like a great man, not these 2 shillings. We did not ask him for money yesterday, we shall not ask him tomorrow. Say, he's telling that tomorrow when he comes to power, definitely when our things, we wanted any things from official things from him, definitely we have to pay him. So this is, today is our term, so we need money, not 2 shillings. More money we need. If you want our vote, we are ready to cast vote for PAP party, but condition is that the roof must give more than 2 shilling. We have climbed the Iroko tree today and would be foolish enough not to take down all the fiber we need. Today is our turn. Tomorrow Marcus come to the power and he will demand. So today is our turn. So if you don't ask money right now, that shows that we are so foolish. Just for example, you are climbing to the mango tree to pluck mango, and when you climb up, you will not pluck one and come. Whatever is there, you will pluck and come. Correct? No? So the same way he is telling that today is elders' turn. If they don't utilize this opportunity, definitely they may lose the opportunity. Ruth had to agree. So Ruth never had any other choice. So he have to agree. He has to pay more than 2 shilling. He had lately been taking down a lot of firewood himself, and he is telling that I know that from Marcus Abbey, you are getting not 2 shillings, you are getting more than that. Then why can't you give us more? That was elder's question. Only yesterday he had asked Marcus for one of his many rich robes, and he had got it. And he is telling, I know that Ruth is also taking advantage of this situation of Marcus Abbey, and whatever Ruth is asking, Marcus Abbey is forced to give, because he is working for him right now. Last Sunday, Marcus' wife that nearly were in a trouble, that when Ruth wanted to pull out take the liquor bottle from the refrigerator, means fridge, beer bottle from the fridge, his wife objected and roundly and publicly rebuked by her husband. So she was being rough. So when then what happened when wife objected? Marcus Abbey couldn't tell no to Ruth because she is working. So we know that Ruth is being paid very well by Marcus Abbey. Why are you eating alone? That was their question. Give more than 2 shilling, and they know that Ruth Marcus Abbey have given more money to Ruth. So they demanded not 2 shilling, but they wanted more than 2 shilling. 2 shilling, for just example, you can tell that 100 rupees, or maybe like 1 rupees or something. So the value of the money. To cap it all, Ruth had won large land cases recently because, among other things, he had been suffering driven to be disputed sites, and you know that now Ruth have bought lot of lands also during this election tenure. So he understood that elders about firewood. The firewood here means what? Fire, not the firewood, money they meant. Ruth had to agree. So finally, Ruth never had any other choice, so he was forced to agree. And now what happens here? On yesterday he had asked Marcus for one of many of rich robes. So you can see that how much Ruth is taking advantage. One day he had gone to his house and taken the beer bottles, and now you can see that he is asking for his own rich clothes. So last Sunday Marcus' wife had objected all those things. So here he is telling that so here what they are telling, that we know that he is taking lot of advantage from this people. So why can't they do little more seriously? That was their argument. Why can't Ruth give little more money for this poor people? To cap in all, Roof have won land cases. So he's telling that I know that recently Roof have purchased lot of lands. So that means that Roof is taking advantage of this situation. So what 2 shilling what they are giving is not sufficient. All right, he said in English, and then reverted to Igbo. Igbo, let us not quarrel about small things. So they said that they were talking in their African language so far. They said that no, let us not argue with small things. So let us come to the point. So 1 shilling more to every man. So I can give one. I have offered 2 shillings. You are talking too much, so I will give one more extra shilling for you. Then what he said is that if you are demanding more, what happens? They are not ready to give. So here you can see that Roof is not ready to pay more than 2 shillings to this people. He said that okay, I am ready. If you are demanding so much, I will give 1 more shilling, not more than that. And if you are not ready to agree for that, yes, you can just leave it. So you can see the way he acted. What he did is Roof have thrown the money on the floor. That shows that he was not ready to spare, but he was forced to give. Then he said, I am through, he said with the defense hand no less effective of being transparently fake. The elders too knew how far to go without long losing decorum. Decorum means their respect. So they know that if they pay, if they argue with the Roof again, they are not going to get any money. So finally they agreed for 3 shilling. The elders too knew. So when Roof added, go cast your paper for your enemy if you like. And he was telling that if you are not happy with this extra shilling what I am offering, I am not going to give extra money. Whomever you want, you can vote. By the time the last man, so the elder said that okay, they took the money from the floor and they was ready for the deal. The deal is that definitely they have taken money from Roof on behalf of Marcus Ibe, and what they will do, they will vote for Marcus Ibe. The enemy Roof has referred to as progressive organization. So Roof told that if you are not ready to vote for PAP party, you can vote for POP, People Organization Party. And what is this POP? POP is an organization of tribal caste people. And what is their agenda? Political, cultural, social and religious annihilation. So underline that. Their agenda for the party is that if they come to power, there will be no difference for the backward community. Remove, annihilation, destruction of all the caste caste, religious and cultural political differences and all will be treated equally. That was their agenda. Although it was clear that party has no chance here to had plunged, but typical foolishness into the straight fight with PAP providing cars and loudspeakers. So they understood that POP party, they felt other people thought that these are from the poor people, they don't have money, and how can they fight against such a filthy rich person like Marcus Ibe. So no one knew for a certain how much money POP had let for loose in Umofia. They never knew that POP is also going to plan, and that means to shell out the money. That is, they are also planning to purchase people to vote for them. The local campaigners would end up very rich, no doubt. So from this election, they understood that the people like local campaigners like Rufus, they will become rich. No doubt in that. Up to the last night had been moving around to plan as Roof would have put in. So the elders agreed to vote for Rufus Marcus Ibe when Roof was ready to pay extra shilling to them, although he and Roof were well known to each other. So now you can see that there's suddenly a twist in the story, that he had received a strange visit from the leaders of POP party. Suddenly Roof never expected, after his deal with the elders, and he made a deal that they will vote for Marcus Ibe. Suddenly the POP people campaigners have walked into Roof's house and they requested Roof that when they never wasted much time in talking, they immediately placed as 5 pounds, understood, on the floor before Roof and said, we want you. They never asked, can you vote or something? they just kept the money, £5. Maybe just example, Marcus eBay have given 100 rupees for roof, means this POP is giving 1000 rupees for roof right now. So see the difference. So they kept the £5 in the on the chair and the road, and told that told that we want your vote, that's what, and we want your vote. Roof got up from the chair. So Roof couldn't believe that how can this POP, the poor people party, can afford so much money. That was the question asked. No words were wasted. He placed £5 on the floor. So he couldn't believe how can these people give so much money. That was the wonder and awe in Roof's face. So Roof was shocked. The brief exercise. So what he did is he raised from the chair and he started walking. In that time, he was thinking what to do, whether he should accept this £5 and vote for POP party. POP party is headed by Madhuka and their sign is head, and their symbol is head. Just like we have that umbrella, we have that we have different signs for election. So their sign for election was head, POP party, and for PAP it was symbol was car. So no votes were, they didn't wanted to have a much talk or argument. They said that we are paying so much, you have to vote for us. That was the thing. For I know for work for Marcus, and he said that we all know that you are in favor of Marcus, but we don't care about all those things. But we wanted what? We wanted vote from you. It will not be heard from outside, and if you are ready to vote for Marcus eBay right now, we will not inform any one of them. It will be secret and personal affair, and we don't have time to gossip or tell other people that you have cheated Marcus and accepted money from POP party. The man nudged his companion, brought forward an object covered with a red cloth. So immediately when Roof, the elderly man from POP party, what he did is he bought a red covered cloth, and he removed the cover. And with fearsome little affair contained a clay type pot with feathers stuck into it, and he said that this is some spiritual thing, their god or something, with a red cloth. So here you can see that Marcus eBay, what he did is he forgot Roof forgot Marcus eBay right now. By seeing this £5, he became he was mesmerized with the amount what he have seen, and what he did is he was ready to betray Marcus eBay, who Roof was ready to betray Marcus eBay for this for the money, the £5 what he have offered. But this POP party was very clever enough. They said that you can take the money, but only on one condition. You have to touch this clay pot and swear on their god E of Mabanta. So they are telling that just like you are touching your scripture and telling that you will definitely vote, because election is a secret system where you don't, where what you will do is you will not you other people won't know what you are doing. So it's a secret ballot system. So they are telling that I'll fully trust Marcus, we fully trust Roof, and you have to pay, you have to take this £5 from us, but you have to swear, touch this divine thing, and tell that you will vote for POP party, and whom they have to swear, whom he have to swear, E from Mabanta, God from Mabanta. And they said that we trust completely Roof and swear on this Mabanta. So Roof heartfully, he was shocked, and at the same time he couldn't leave that thing, because £5 was a big money offer given by POP party. Then he said, what could a single vote? Then he said, he thought of himself, if I put my vote, definitely only one vote he will get, but I have purchased so many elders in the this thing. So he is thinking that definitely other people will vote for Marcus Ibe, and Marcus Ibe only will come into power. So I can collect money, 5 pound from roof, and if I give another maybe 10 rupee or 100 rupees for other people, so I can purchase their vote. That was his intention. So in the bargain he thought, okay, what is the difference it is going to make if I do a single vote? I will cast my paper for Madhuka. If not, this is E, take note. So that's all he said. Then he have taken the money from this POP party. So I hope you understood this class.